Students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today again I am present over here to discuss something for you. Today I have chosen the topic place value system. Okay, and today I will discuss this place value system, uh, second type, that is international place value system. Yesterday I have discussed Indian place value system. Today I am going to discuss international place value system. So, first of all, I want to say you something, students, that whoever watching my video, please share with your friends. Okay, like and share with your friends. If you share with your friends and if you give more response, so then I can upload new videos and you will enjoy it also. Okay, so let us start today's topic. As I told you that today's topic is international place value system. So let us proceed. So first of all, first here I am writing that in international place value system, international place value system. Yesterday I told you that what is the necessity to understand this place value system. So again today I'm saying that if you read this place value system carefully, if you know the place value system, then very quickly you can read a large number. So at first only I want to draw here one place value system, international place value system. So here I'm writing O, okay, ones, next tens I want to write in short form, otherwise space is not there. So next I'm writing here 100, H, okay, H for 100, just wait, yes, 100, then 1000, th I have written here, th means 1000, then I'm writing here tth means 10,000, then I'm writing here hth means 100,000. Next I want to write here m stands for million, then I'm writing over here tm means 10 million. Next I will write here hm means 100 million. Okay, then you have to draw one box, that is table. So I'm requesting to all the students whoever watching my video, you have to take a note on this video. Okay, means whatever I am doing you will also write in your notebook, then it will be better for you. Okay, okay, so this is ones, then here tens, 100, next 1000, 10,000, 100,000, next million, 10 million, and 100 million. Okay, yesterday when I have discussed that Indian place value system, that time also I was talking about periods. Today also I will be talking about periods. Just like Indian place value system, in international place value system also periods are there. So here first period is ones period. Okay, name of the first period is ones period, and this ones period contains 3 digits, that is ones, tens, 100. Next one is thousand period, thousand period, and this period also contains 3 digits, that is 1000, 10,000, 100,000. And next one is million period, million period, and this period also contains 3 digits, that is million, 10 million and 100 million. Now I want to give here one number. Just yesterday which number given at first, this number only today also I'm giving. 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. This number is given to you and you have to write the number name of this number in International Place Value System. So how will you write this number, put this number in the table? Same process. From right end you have to put this number, that is 1, then here 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Now you have to put write the number name for this, and before writing the number name, first of all you have to put the comma in between the periods. I told that in one's period 3 digits are there, so after 3 digit you have to put 1 comma. Then again after 3 digit you have to put one more comma, that is between 6 and 7 you put one more comma. So easily everybody can understand that 987 is in the million period, 654 is in the thousand period, and 321 is in the ones period. So if you want to write the number name of this number, then how will you write it? Then you have to write like this, that 987 million. Okay, because in millions period 9 and 100 million 9 is there, that's why 900. Tens million 8 is there, that's why 80 and 7, so 987 million. Next one will be 654,000. Okay, 654,000, because 6 in the 100,000, that's why 600, then 54, and this is simple 321. So 321. So this is only the number name which you have I have written from international, by using International Place Value System. I want to give one more number, students, then your concept will be more clear. So this number I want to give here, 900201502. This number is given to you and you have to write a number name. Okay, and I told you that if you have to write the number name for any number, so first of all you have to put this number in the place value table. So from right hand you have to put this, so it will be 2, then it will be 0, then 5, then it is 1, 0, 2, then 0, 0, 9. So this is only the number which I already put on the table, in this table. Now you have to put the comma in between the periods. Okay, so 205, so here you will put one comma, then between 0 and 2 you have to put one more comma, like this. So you see, in millions period 100 million only 9 is there, another 2 digit 0. So I will write here only 900 million, nothing else. Okay, 900 million. Then what is there in thousand period? 200,000 is 2, so I will write a 201. So 201,000, is it? 201,000. Next, what I will write? Say 502. 502. Okay, like this you have to write the number name in International Place Value System. Okay, so I hope students you understood Okay, now for your practice I want to give you some homework. Okay, so this homework you have to complete by your own, and after completed this homework you have to write the comment, means you have to give this answer in the comment section. Okay, whoever watching my video, I need their answer in the comment section of this video. Okay, so I'm giving you this homework. So everybody write this homework. Write the number name of the following numbers in both the system. Okay, so my first number is 325690002. Second number is 890000020, and third number is 354900200. These are the three numbers I have given you as homework. What you will do, you will write this number, all these three numbers number name you have to write in one time in Indian system, another time in international system. Then you will answer me, means give your answer in the comment section of this video. Okay, bye bye students, again I will come in tomorrow. Thank you, and one more time please share this video with your friends. Okay, bye bye.